In primetime news this evening, night court and Saturday court to begin next week. Westmoreland community in shock after missing woman is found dead in shallow grave. And why Portmore residents are taking the NSWMA to task.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us for Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onceputmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janela Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janela. Now, supply chain shifts in the pandemic opened up new trade opportunities for local companies, and there's a push for that to continue. I'll give you the details later on.
All right. Thanks, Javon. From Javon to Jordan. What's coming up in sports, Jordan?
Well, Herman, the matchups for the round of 16 have been decided at the FIFA World Cup. While the West Indies wait for a first test win in Australia is set to be extended as the Aussies have piled up a massive lead on day 3 of their first test in Perth. Of course, the first test win in more than 25 years. I'll tell you more a little later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What are your views on the teams that have made it to the World Cup round of 16?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.